Hey y'all, it's Meso. Welcome to my kitchen today, where I am going to be showing you how to make something quick, easy, simple, and delicious. Ain't that the way it ought to be? I am so excited about you being here. I'm gonna cook for you, and guess what? I'm gonna show you how to do it too. So therefore, you're gonna be able to make it there in your own kitchen for your own family, loved ones, friends, or your man or woman, honey. And you're gonna be called a kitchen rock star too. This mouth-watering dish is grits, kale, and monkfish. So here you see that I have my monkfish and I'm just cleaning it up. Your monkfish will have some like red places, pink places. I always just like to cut that out and get it cleaned up. So here I'm doing that, and I'm going to clean up my area, and then I'm going to go ahead and get my fish ready. So here I have some egg and milk. I have my cornmeal. Actually, this is the House of Autry seafood mix. It's really good. I've got black pepper. I've got some Old Bay seasoning. Here I have some onion and some garlic powder. I'm going to go ahead and just season mine. Now I'm using on this what I like. You are free to make any alterations, any changes. Use the seasonings that you like. But these are really good. You can trust me on that. I'm putting in my onion powder. I just put in my Old Bay. And we're not going to do a whole lot to this. We're just going to, I'm going to mix it together, rub it real good, and just make sure that I'm getting every piece covered. So here now I'm using my egg and milk mixture, and then I'm getting it over into the Autry seafood seasoning. And I'm going to just take care of all of these, get these done. And I'm going to place the fish over on I've got a cookie sheet over here. I'm just going to lay it onto and let it just sit there for a few minutes until I get ready to fry it. Now, I don't know if you've had monkfish before. It is really good. It is really good. It's a little bit more expensive than maybe whiting, but it is really good. I'm getting this down into my fryer, and it's already cooked due to the magic of YouTube. So just take a look at that, though. My God, I like mine crispy, really crispy, and brown, and so that's the way I've done this. You make yours like you like it. All right, so look at what I've fried here. Oh, so good. This smells so good. I'm going to go ahead and get to my grits. So I have some boiling water here waiting on me. It's 3 cups of boiling water. And I'm going to be putting in about 2.5 cups of grits into this water. So now I'm going to go ahead and give this a nice whisk with my wire whisk because I don't want it to lump. Now, I don't like lumpy grits. I don't like that. I can't eat that. So you want to keep your wire whisk close by. You don't want to use a fork. That won't work. You need your wire whisk to cook these. So I'm just giving them a nice, good spin with my wire whisk. And then I put the lid back on and I've let it cook. And so I'm going to use these for this dish. I'm going to let these grits be thick on this dish. And so sometimes I like them creamy, but for this dish, I like them thick. And I've let that cook for about 12 minutes. And I'm going to set it aside. Now here I have my package of kale greens. They are already pre-washed and ready to go. I've got some oil here in this saute pan. And I'm just going to saute this kale, until it is just tender. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your kale in. It's going to be real big, almost running over your pan. And you're just going to just kind of stir it around and get some oil and heat on these leaves of kale. And then they're going to shrink. And then you're going to go ahead and put some more in. And then you're going to do the same thing again. You're going to give them time just to cook them, and steam for just a few minutes. And then you stir them down and you put in some more until you get all of them in your pan. I think I had about 2 pounds here. I'm still putting in and just cooking them down. No problem. Now I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning them. And here I have some chicken flavoring bouillon. And I'm going to go ahead and I use about a tablespoon for my amount of greens. And I have just some rough chopped white onions. I'm going to go ahead and use them and get them cooking and working with these kales. And I have some uh, garlic powder that I am using, and some onion powder also that I already used. You saw me use it in with my fish. This is a favorite season of mine. It's called Spice It Right. It's a Caribbean seasoning, and this is a seasoning that I've just been in love with for a year or two now. I really like the little kick that it gives to dishes. So I'm still letting this saute and let it just cook down. I wish you could smell this. And finally, I have some ground allspice, and I'm just going to give it a little hit of allspice. Not much at all. Just give it a little dash. Now I'm ready to plate this stuff up. Were you ready for that? Oh my God, look at this. I just can't wait. So I have just sprinkled a little paprika and some butter on these grits. But I got this kale atop my grits, and then the fish on top of that. This is a beautiful presentation. Not only beautiful, it is, oh God, the taste, what you're getting here. I don't know how many of you have had shrimp and grits. This fish and grits is better. Let me go ahead and get a little taste. The kale, the grits here. Take a good look. And there's butter oozing off of these grits. Ooh. Let's get some. Very good. I want to show you this. This monkfish. It is a very sturdy fish, a really white, flaky fish, and crunchy. The way that I prepared it is very crunchy. Look here, y'all. But the taste is really something a little different. I don't know if you've had monkfish before, but it is good. It is good. It's just a step away from your basic whiting and tilapia. It's just really, really good. I like it better. Okay, that's enough. Let me just try to get a shot of this. But first, let me get a little bit more of the grits and the greens. Oh, hey, y'all, look at that. Have some. That fish is just so crunchy. And on the inside, it's so nice. Y'all make this. Make it for your family. Make it for yourself. It is so good. I thank you guys for coming by today to check on me. I know that y'all wanted to see what I was doing, and you knew that I would be throwing down. I hope that I did not disappoint. Guys, I want you to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. I want you to give me a like, share my video wherever you're active on social media, and leave me a comment because I love hearing from you. Yeah, give me a thumbs up, guys. I'm also on TikTok, on Instagram, and on Facebook. So come by and give me a holler, guys. Look, hold on to your peace with all that's going on in the world today. Hold on to your peace and your faith. See you guys next time I have a video. All right, bye-bye.